And now we're going to look at entertainment, and more specifically playing music through the radio. If it's not one of the icons that you've pre-saved into your menu bar, all you need to do is swipe down from the top to the local app screen and select radio. From here you can see either the FM or the DAB source. You also have some favourites that you may have pre-selected, and you can select up to 20 of these at any time. For now, we're going to select DAB and we're going to select BBC Radio 2. Once this starts playing, all you need to do is hit the heart icon and that will add itself to the favourites folder. Swiping down from the top to take you back into the local application menu, you may have noticed this media icon. Selecting this gives you some extra music options. The local music option would require a USB stick preloaded with files such as MP3 files, and that drive plugging into the USB-A or USB-C slot. The Bluetooth music option does require a compatible mobile phone. Once paired, all you need to do is press play and the music will begin. Once the music is playing, the right-hand side of the steering wheel would control track forward, track back, and even pause and resume. You can also do this from the screen.